This one is called Slow Train, a Bob Dylan song. Sometimes I feel so low down and disgusted. Can I but wonder what's been happening to my companions? But Lord, they lost or all they found. Have they gone the cars they're gonna take the breakdown? I love the early principles they're gonna have to abandon. I said it's a slow train coming up around the bend, up around the bend. I had a woman down in Alabama. She was a backwoods girl, sure was realistic. She said, without a doubt, you're gonna have to clean up your mess and straighten out, 'cause you could die down here and be another accident statistic. But we said it's a slow train coming up around the bend, up around the bend. All of the foreign oil controlling American soil. Look around you, it's just bound to make you feel embarrassed. The sheiks walk around like kings, wearing fancy clothes and those rings. Control American future from Amsterdam to Paris. Well, I know it's a slow train coming up around the bend, up around the bend. Big time negotiators, false healers and woman haters, masters of the bluff and masters of the proposition. But the real enemy I see, a cloak of decency. All of the non-believers and mind stealers talk in the name of religion. Well, I said it's a slow train coming up around the bend, up around the bend. Man's ego's inflated, his laws are outdated. They don't apply anymore, you can't rely no more, be standing around and waiting. In the home of the brave, Jefferson turning over in his grave, while fools glorify themselves, trying to manipulate Satan. Well, I said it's a slow train coming up around the bend. People starving and thirsting, grain elevators are bursting. Don't you know it costs more to store the food than it do to give it? But they say lose your inhibitions, follow your own ambition. They talk about a life of brotherly love, show me some of them who can leave it. Well, I said it's a slow train coming up around the bend, up around the bend. Well, my baby went to Illinois with some bad talking boy that she could destroy. It was a real suicide case, but there was nothing I could do to stop it. Well, I don't care about economy, and I don't care about astronomy. It sure does bother me to see my loved ones turning into puppets. Yes, it does. I said it's a slow Well, it's a slow train coming up around the bend. Yeah, up around the bend. Slow train, I said it's a slow. Well, it's a slow train coming up around, up around, up around, up around the bend. Said it's a slow. Well, it's a slow train coming up around the bend, up around the bend, up around the bend. Well, I said it's a slow train coming